In this video, you'll learn how to use adaptive filters in Dashboard Hub to refine your dashboard data in real time. Adaptive filters are a dynamic filter bar at the top of your dashboard that delivers focused reporting, flexible data exploration, and improved control and governance. Rather than building a separate dashboard for every team, stakeholder, or use case, adaptive filters lets anyone viewing the dashboard focus on what's relevant to them. To get started, click Filters in the dashboard top bar to open the filter bar. The default filters appear at the top of the dashboard. These include Project, Issue Type, Status, Assignee, and Created Date. Compatible Jira gadgets are highlighted with a blue border on your dashboard. Select a value from a field dropdown to apply a filter. Every compatible Jira gadget on the dashboard updates to reflect your selection, and each affected gadget displays the filtered status. There's also a Contains Text field for keyword searches. Keep in mind, this only matches content in the summary and key fields. If a gadget has no matching results, it displays a No Data to Show message. You can broaden your selection or click Clear to remove all active filters at once. The Filters button in the top bar always shows you how many filters are applied. Filters apply to all relevant gadgets by default, but you can control this at the gadget level. Hold the pointer over the gadget name to reveal the filter toggle and turn it on for that gadget. Turn the toggle off and that gadget ignores the dashboard filters and shows its full dataset. As a dashboard editor, you can remove or customize which fields appear in the filter bar. Click Customize Filters to open the customization panel. From there, you can remove any of the 5 defaults and replace them with fields from the 26 built-in Jira system fields or custom fields pulled directly from your connected Jira instance. The maximum is 5 filters at any time, and your changes apply to everyone who views the dashboard. As an admin, you can hide the filter bar on externally shared dashboards. Go to App Settings, then Global Access Restrictions, and turn on Restrict Use of Adaptive Filters for External Users. Once enabled, the filter bar won't appear on any dashboard shared using a public link or through the customer portal. Dashboards shared internally are not affected, and this setting applies globally. To recap, click Filters to open the filter bar and select values to narrow your gadget data in real time. Use the Per Gadget toggle to control which gadgets respond to your filters. Editors can customize the available fields from the Customize Filters panel, and admins can restrict the filter bar for external users through global access restrictions in App Settings.